Hi everybody, this is Abdulrahman Al-Habsi and today I would like to talk about insects of legumes for applied entomology class. At the beginning, let's point some benefits of legumes. They have protein and carbs, they are a great energy source, and they have no cholesterol and less fats. So they make great source of food for the little guys you see in the picture. And they're called pests. They are tiny animals that feed on crops and cause damages to agriculture. And today we will talk about 5 of these insects. The first pest is called Alfalfa Weevil. It's from the order Coleoptera and the family Curulinidae. What you see in the picture here is the adult. It's found during winters and it's 1/4 inch in length. It's brown with dark stripes on the back. Eggs are laid in stems from fall until the beginning of the summer. Alfalfa is a primary food source for adults, but clover also can be an alternative source. Their damage mostly starts later in the winter. They are native to Asia and Europe, but can be seen in Canada and lower US. Let's now talk about its larval stage. It looks well developed and prepared to go pupate and then to adult. Most larvae hatch during spring and summer. They live around stem tips of alfalfa plants and feed for days until they are 3/8 inch in length and they appear with white stripe on their back. They are best controlled at this stage. Our next guy is the meadow spittle bug. It's from the order Homoptera and family Cercopidae. During spring, it can be found and also during early summer. It's 1/4 inch in length. It comes in different colors and different patterns. Youngs are pink colored and they become yellowish green as they grow. Damages to spittle are mostly by nymphs as they suck sap. They are native to North America and infest more than 350 plant species. They produce liquid and air through it to make the spittle masses, and they prevent normal plant growth. Next is the grasshopper from the order Orthoptera and the family Acrididae. It can be found in forages of the US and the southern Canada. During winter, eggs are laid in the soil of the fields. After egg hatch, youngs stay in the fields to feed. They are capable of causing economic damages. Youngs also can be found in fence rows and roadsides. Here is the pea aphid. It's from the order Homoptera and the family Aphididae. It is dark green and also can be found during spring and early summer in alfalfa field. Their damage can be significant and they feed on alfalfa juices by sucking. They produce a substance called honeydew. They're considered the most known aphid in North America. Yearly, they damage crops what costs millions of dollars. What you see on the picture now is the spotted alfalfa aphid. It's from the same order and the same family of the pea aphid. It's yellowish green and has black spots on their back. Most seen are nymphs and winged or wingless females, but males are rare. They suck sap from plants. The last one we have today is the potato leafhopper, from the order Homoptera and from the family Cicadillidae. They come to the States every spring. They are yellowish green and they feed on more than 180 wild plants. Up to 3 eggs are laid by the female, which usually live for a month. Eggs then take about 10 days to hatch. The nymph looks like the adult in shape, except wingless. They are also sap suckers. They cannot handle the cold weather. Now I would like to talk about pest control. Different types of pest controls have been used in agriculture in order to protect crops and plants and maximize food production. The first type is biological pest control. This type is to control through managing predators and parasites, producing other animals or bacteria to feed on pests. This type has no negative impacts on the ecology and is completely safe for humans. This type is to bring protection with as less harm as possible to the nature. The ladybug consuming the aphid is an example for this type. Next is mechanical pest control, using equipments and natural ingredients that make barriers around plants. For this, we can take barrier paper as an example. The third type is field burning. After the harvest, the field is burned to get rid of pests. Last type I would like to mention is pesticide. By spraying substances over field, but some can cause cancer or health issues or destroy wildlife. And now I would like to mention some facts about pests. First, 48% of homeowners want more pest controls for the gardens. Second, during winters, many pests use glycerol to handle the cold. Third, insects have lived for 350 million years, and humans have enjoyed the earth only for 130,000 years. Before I finish my presentation, I would like to give you a quiz about the things that we covered today in my presentation. Please stop the presentation to answer the question and then continue. The first question is, how many orders were mentioned today? And what are they? The right answer is 3 orders: Homoptera, Coleoptera, and Orthoptera. Second question, which is the spotted aphid? Is it alfalfa aphid or pea aphid? The correct answer is alfalfa aphid. The third question, which type of pest control may cause cancer? The right answer is pesticides. This is the end of my presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for listening.